Hey folks, it's Mark, Dispersed Camperman, and I am currently in Piney Creek, part of the Ozark National Forest. Folks, I'm in Ozark National Forest, and I pulled off onto Adams Mountain Road, also National Forest Road 1328. I was driving up the road and I saw this little pull-off right here. I saw some of the campfires rings up here. I knew this could be a place that we could, that I could be camping at. This is a pull-off 93052A. It's got a four-wheeler sign on top of it. I mean, this is a four-wheeler trail. So what I did was I pulled up in here, and this is where I decided to stay for a couple of nights. There's plenty of room for mini tents and several RVs if you want. I was thinking about parking right here, but I decided to go back further. There's another spot back here further away from the road. And this is where I decided to set up at. Go ahead and take a look around. I'm going to go ahead and leave the grid coordinates in the video description if you're interested in coming out here. If you see that four-wheeler trail right there, I'm going to be doing some hiking down there. According to Google Maps, there should be a little creek down there. I'm just going to hike down there today and check it out. Hey guys, thanks for watching. Hey folks, I'm in Piney Creek, part of the Ozark National Forest, and I'm hiking this ATV trail. I'm probably about a mile and a half from where I'm dispersed camped at. And on this trail, I found a waterfall. Take a look at this. It's a pretty cool little stream here. That pretty nice little waterfall too. Hey folks, I'm glad you enjoyed the video. If you like, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, leave a comment below. And if you're into dispersed camping, looking for different locations, go ahead and subscribe to this channel. I appreciate it. Hey guys, thanks for watching.